Welcome back. I am the Watch King. On this video, we are reviewing a Tudor Tiger. Now, this is a chronograph. This is probably the best value out there, and this example is just extremely nice. You very rarely see this. So let's hop straight into it. I'm going to showcase the unboxing because of how cool and complete this particular watch is. So fairly, I would say, nothing special about this packaging from Tudor. Definitely they have been upgraded throughout the years, but they have an outer box here, it just says Tudor. Then the inner box actually has Tiger, so it's this is a special box for the Tiger line. And then opening it up here is the actual watch. It goes this way. So there, opens up, and this is the watch, right? So I tell people all the time, it doesn't matter how old your watch is, right? If it's from the 90s, the 80s, it really doesn't matter how old the actual watch is. It matters what the condition is. It matters who wore it, how they wore it. And looking at it, this watch has definitely been worn. It is not new old stock, right? But I have no doubt in my mind it has never been polished. And looking at it, look how, I mean, it's just incredible, right? So not only that, it was never worn on the original strap. I put the strap on, original Tudor serial number, and all the reference number matches there. But on top of that, right, it has the tag never left the actual original strap. It has the original case back sticker with the reference number. And then, of course, the clasp is all original there. And we have the original folder. These always fall apart. These little folders, they're just made out of paper, and oftentimes they fall apart pretty easily. But we also have the actual paper. This does have the serial number, so I'm going to block that out. But here is paper. All right. So there's the paper. Original 1-year warranty. Remember, Rolex was 2 years. This is the sale and the original jeweler there. So I always like to get these. Not so necessary with every watch, but it is something I always like to have to complete, especially if you have a watch this good condition. It's always good to add the papers and so forth. I always found it funny that the only thing on this watch that resembles Rolex, I mean, except for the oyster case that it shares, is these are the original booklets. This was not put in. This factory service booklet came with the watch, and of course the actual Tudor booklet itself for the Tudor Tiger. I just find, well, this one has the aluminum bezel, but the same style right there. Just I prefer the steel bezel. Makes it so much nicer in my opinion, but there's pros and cons to both. So as you can see, this watch is as complete as can be. Now definitely check out this watch at thewatchkingofficial.com. This is just a fun unboxing. I will do a full review of it. I just wanted to show everything that comes with it here in a little bit. So stay subscribed for a full review, because this watch is something, I just love it. I think there's nothing, you can't compare it to a Rolex because it's not comparable. It is something, it's completely on its own, and it is so nice. It really is. I think if you put this, forget about price, you gave me a Speedmaster and gave me this watch, and they're both in the same condition from the same era, I'm choosing this every day. But okay, without being sidetracked, I want to thank you all for watching, and I will definitely catch you in the next one.